Hey there, peace and blessings to all of you beautiful souls. Right now, millions of Muslims are already in the heart of one of the most sacred journeys on earth. Hajj has officially begun, and Eid al-Adha is just a few days away. If you've ever wondered what makes this spiritual trip to Mecca so powerful and meaningful, stick around. This video is for you. From Mecca to Mount Arafat, this isn't just a physical journey. It's a deep, soul-level expedition. Hajj is a personal act of devotion that demands pure faith, patience, and sincere understanding. And today, we're diving into 8 amazing facts about Hajj, with a few bonus insights from my experience here in Saudi Arabia, behind the scenes as someone who's been part of organizing this blessed event.
1. Hajj, the 5th pillar of Islam. It's the final of Islam's 5 core pillars, and every capable Muslim should try to perform Hajj at least once in their lifetime. The Prophet Muhammad said, "O people, Hajj has been made obligatory for you, so perform it." 2. 2.4 million plus pilgrims last year. Last year alone, more than 2.4 million pilgrims gathered in Mecca, making Hajj one of the largest human gatherings on earth. You'll meet Muslims from every country you can think of, all united under the mercy of Allah.
3. No gender segregation during Hajj. Unlike many rituals that separate men and women, during Hajj, everyone prays, walks, and worships side by side at Masjid al-Haram. It's a reminder that before God, we are all equal. 4. Hajj ends with Eid al-Adha. After the symbolic stoning of the devil at Jamarat, pilgrims perform Qurbani, the sacrifice of an animal to honor the legacy of Prophet Ibrahim's devotion. The meat is shared with family, neighbors, and those in need.
Now that we've explored some of the core foundations of Hajj, from its spiritual roots to the powerful act of Qurbani, let's go even deeper. Because Hajj isn't just about the rituals, it's about the journey. The places you go, the people you meet, the prayers whispered under the stars. Each step carries history, emotion, and divine purpose. So come with me now. Let's walk through some of the most unforgettable locations and hidden gems that make this pilgrimage so extraordinary.
5. Hajj takes you to Arafat, Muzdalifah, and Mina. The Hajj isn't just Mecca, it's also the valleys of Mina, the plain of Arafat, and the night under the stars at Muzdalifah. This multi-day journey is filled with powerful moments of reflection and unity. Bonus, some insider facts for you. As someone working closely with the organizing teams, this year, we've got over 35,000 officers, called Shurta, ensuring the safety and order of pilgrims. Most main rituals happen between Dhul Hijjah 8 to 13, with key acts like Arafat Day and Rami al-Jamarat having fixed windows between sunrise and sunset. Costs vary by country and package, but the average Hajj trip ranges from $3,000 to $10,000. 6. Ihram, the dress of equality. Men wear 2 white unstitched cloths, and women dress modestly without any display of wealth. Everyone looks the same, rich or poor, famous or unknown. Before God, we're just souls seeking mercy.
7. The Black Stone, Hajar al-Aswad. Located in the Kaaba's eastern corner, this stone is believed to date back to Prophet Adam and was once held by Ibrahim. Pilgrims try to kiss or touch it, or simply point toward it, just like the Prophet did. 8. Title of Haji. After performing Hajj, many Muslims are honored with the title Haji. It's not just a title, it's a spiritual milestone that stays with you for life. And there you go, your Hajj 2025 essentials. Whether you're performing Hajj now, planning for the future, or just curious about this beautiful ritual, I hope this gave you a heartfelt glimpse into the experience.
Thanks so much for watching. If you found this inspiring or learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the heart of Islam, straight from Mecca. And if you're on the journey right now, may your Hajj be accepted, your sins forgiven, and your soul uplifted. Until next time, peace, love, and du'as your way.